I am the rainforest. I watched them grow up here. They've left, but they always come back. Yes, they always come back. For my trees, their wood. My plants, their medicines. For my beauty, their escape. I've always been there for them, and I have been more than generous. Sometimes I gave it all to them. Now, gone forever. But humans, they are so smart, so smart. Such big brains and opposable thumbs. They know how to make things, amazing things. Now, why would they need a rainforest like me anymore? Jungles? Trees? Well, they do breathe air. And I make air. Have they thought about that? Humans? So smart. They figure it out. Humans making air. That'd be fun to watch.